Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers for the upcoming week of Umkhokha the Cursed. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, while a mother is expressing her need to mourn her child, a wife insists her husband is still alive. Kanti this wife, guys, is she never going to accept? Then MaZungu fights, uNokubonga's battles, and uNobuntu chooses her path in life. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, while MaZungu solidifies her daughter's stay at home by making sure the Mtembis continue their providence for her, the Kumetes find out that once again their daughter has taken another wrong turn. And then on Wednesday, the 30th of October, Mazobe and Tifa are devastated after finding a goodbye letter. Maphalala and uNokubonga are embarrassed after MaZungu demands a stake from the Mtembus. Then on Thursday, the 31st of October, Undlovu wants the throne dark or blue, but plays the smallest card up his sleeve, one that nobody saw coming. Uspa welcomes a long-lost member, and Gabi and Lwazi are skating on thin ice. And then lastly, on Friday, the 1st of November, Ndlovu outsmarts Mazobe and Nomkhosi. Church Ang brings undesirable emotions, and Gabi's secret is itching to come out. Well, guys, those are your teasers, and that's what you can expect for the upcoming week of Umkhokha the Curse. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I will see you guys in the next one.